Hey guys, today I'm working with a Solo GE electric dryer, meaning that I'm not pairing it up with the washer. It's just a Solo dryer that we're listing up for sale, and it's in excellent condition. Got it running right now just on time dry with high heat. Kind of got a few different options, 4 different heat options. It's got a signal to let you know when it's done, and everything's been tested. Gets a 22-point inspection, electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked. Everything has to work perfect before it gets listed up for sale. And I can grab my heat gun here and show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those 2 red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. Kind of see the difference between the top of the machine and the floor here. So we'll go ahead and open it up, and I'll drop my phone and I'll show you. Plenty of heat inside here. The heating element is behind this panel here. So the inside of your dryer now, once it gets heated up, it's going to heat up anywhere from about 95 up to 195, and that just depends on what you have your heat setting at. And as this one gets going here, it's warming up. You can see the inside. It's got the light on. And just hit go there, start it back up. And so if you had delicate items, you could go low heat, medium heat, or no heat. A few different settings there. We'll let this one finish up that load there and go ahead and get it listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks. Have a great day.